Hey there! If you've ever faced the driver signature enforcement wall and your hardware or software just won't work, you're not alone. Stick around, because in this video, I'll show you how to break free from it permanently. So, what is driver signature enforcement? Well, it's a security feature in Windows that ensures only signed drivers are installed on your system. Sounds great, right? Until you're dealing with older or custom drivers that Windows refuses to recognize. Frustrating, isn't it? Now, before we dive into the solution, a quick heads up. Disabling this feature could expose your system to risks. Unsigned drivers aren't checked for authenticity, so only use this method if you absolutely trust the source. Got it? Cool. Let's move on. We're going to permanently disable driver signature enforcement using a few simple steps. Don't worry, no advanced tech skills needed. Here's the plan. Before moving to step 1, make sure that your laptop/PC Secure Boot is disabled from BIOS. Now let's start.
Go to Start menu, type Command Prompt, right-click and run it as administrator.
Now type this command. Hit Enter. You'll see a message confirming the operation. Restart your PC and congratulations. Driver signature enforcement is now disabled. You'll notice a test mode watermark on your desktop. It's proof that Windows is now operating with the restriction lifted. And that's it. You've taken control of your system and can now install those unsigned drivers without any hassle. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss out on more tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Your PC, your rules. See you in the next one.